Hey people of YouTube! Feels good to be back vlogging. Anyway, I'm going to the fireworks tonight and doing whatever else, so I'll vlog today. Going to the pub for dinner, and it was called the Fellowfield. And I had pasta. Then we got to the bonfire place. We basically looked around at the fair. We went on a few things at the fair. It me. I did not go on that or rides like that. That's fucking no. Just walking around. I had to go on this panda thing. Basically, you had to play darts and you win a panda. And I won a panda. Someone should name our panda in the comments below. Beautiful sunset. We was just basically getting a drink and I had juice burst. And now having to go on this tatty bear dartboard thing. Epic fail. I won a tatty bear. Well, we played it twice and I got lucky second time. And now I'm on the ghost train. It was pretty shit compared to Alton Towers, but oh well, bit of fun. It did not scare me one bit. Seizure warning, I guess. Sorry about that. Here's the bonfire thing that's going to be lit later. There's two talented men playing with fire. Don't do that at home, kids. But these were trained professionals. But yeah, they were really good. They're the sort that eat fire and dance with fire. You're just like, how the fuck does one do that? I have no idea, but it is pretty cool. Very dangerous, but I like living life on the edge and dangerously. And I had a feeling these men were the ones that was going to light it because they had fire, and they did. As you can see here, they're lighting the bonfire now. Now for the firework.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Off we go, ladies and gentlemen.
These fireworks were pretty awesome. I don't know what else to say. I never know what to say with this part of the vlog. I didn't last year, but bonfire night, Guy Fawkes and stuff. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Happy bonfire night, everybody. I didn't see these on the 5th of November. I saw them on the 3rd, but it's still cool. Fireworks are always pretty. I haven't seen a proper bonfire in a long time, like when they light a bonfire and everything, so that was quite cool. Here's the fireworks. Right, well, I kind of already said that. I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. I really don't know what to say, else to say. They are pretty. Do you guys like fireworks? Vote in the iCard. Yeah, they were really beautiful. Amazing. see. Yeah, I did win those. Yeah, I'm gonna chill out and get my PJs, but that's what I'm gonna do. Who's watching Netflix? Obviously me. That's all of this shit. Yep, time to chill out for the rest of the night. That's what I'm gonna do. Some Netflix. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna go now, so bye guys.